So it'll be a short video, and then I'll upload it, I'll attach it, and then I'll show you what it looks like on Canvas. Okay, so look, so 12, it's just distributive property, right? So I'm going to distribute this -8, right? Do not go 2 minus 8 and get that -6. I didn't do this one yesterday, did I? No, I don't know why -6 is. Okay, so I get -8 times 5 is -40, n. And then negative is a positive. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay. And so now constants, 2 plus 48, right? So if you write your answer in this way, this is technically in standard form. Ideally, this is the way you're going to start expressing your answers. You want the variable first. But for this first quiz that you'll take tomorrow, if you give me this, which is not in standard form, you won't get docked because I'm looking, you know, we're coming out of summer break. You guys won't naturally start, by the time we hit the first test, you're getting docked on standard form, but you would have like heard it and written it and done it. That is not one of those that you really have to mindfully like keep track of. You're just, you kind of know how to write your name first, middle, last. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. Okay. Here, it's double distributive property, so I will distribute. Just remember, when you guys have an x times an x, just in the English language, one is implied, right? So if you're like, you know, oh, do you have a license? You don't say like, oh, do you have one license? Or you're like, oh, do you have a job? You don't say, oh, do you have one job? If your friend's over, like, oh, do you want a water bottle? Or like, oh, can I get a Coke? Or, oh, can I get one venti oat milk matcha or whatever? You never say the word one. It's implied, right? If you're like talking to someone, you'll be like, oh, do you have a girlfriend? But if you're like, oh, do you have one girlfriend? It's kind of like, you're kind of being a little sassy. So one's implied. So if you have x1, x1, remember when you multiply bases, you add exponents. So it's x squared, right? So here I would get 3x times 1 is 3x. 3 times -4 is -12. X, because this is really x1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So the exponent would be 2. And then you have -6 times x is -36x. And then -6, this is really a 1. Positive 6x squared. I'm running out of space. Yeah? Okay, combine like terms now. So you have x squared. So what's -12 plus 6? Remember, there's no shame in using the calculator. So -12 plus 6, just type what the coefficients are. And you get -6x squared. And then you have 3x -36, so 3 minus, minus 36 gives me -33x. And so this is my standard form. If you had them switched, it would not be in standard form. And obviously you wouldn't see that on like state exams, right? They're always going to express it in standard form. It's in declining exponential, right? Order. So yeah, I'll show you what I'll do. Okay, I'll shut the video off.